Hello everybody, the Team Engineer here, and today I would like to show you I would like to explain to you how Hydra works. So Hydra is a command in Kali Linux that helps you to brute force passwords with a password list. So here's the site that I'm gonna hack into or try to brute force, and so I'm just gonna make a name, so test name, and then the password is gonna be test. So test. I just want to make sure I can see this. So select the element, and you can delete what it says when it says password. So I can do type equal password so that it doesn't fill it in with bullet points. So test password. Now we can see it. Alright, so submit query. Oh wait, I just signed in. Anyways, it doesn't matter. So I signed it with test name and test password. So let's go to Hydra over here, and the first thing you want to put in is Hydra. Alright, so now if you already know the name of the person, you want to put not a capital L, so like that. And if you don't know the name, you want to put a capital L, because a capital L or a capital P for password gives you lets you put the name of the of the of the word list. So since we already know, we don't even need a word list. We can just put in test name, right? And now we do the same for the password. So we don't know the password, so let's just put this, and let's put the name of the word list. So test.txt. So let's go see what's inside test.txt. Over here. And this is all the combinations it's going to try. So this, and obviously the password at the end. You can add stuff, but it's not going to go there because it already got the password. So, alright. So we're going to save this. And so it's going to try every combination. And so now you want to put the main URL of the site. So this thing over here. So copy this. Go over here and paste that, but remove the HTTP. Like that. And then I'm going to put HTTP post form because this form is in HTTP and not HTTPS. And over here you want to put the other URL. So I'm just going to sign out and go to the sign in URL, and just want to copy this, all the rest basically. So paste. Alright. Okay, so then you want to put a colon and then username, okay, is equal to these triangles and then user. So this is something you always want to do in every Hydra command. So and password equals to pass. So you do this every time. This never changes. So that, and then you're going to put and, so and login equals to login equals to login, and then you want to put when it's wrong. So when it's wrong, we can see here. So it'll say test name. You already know that, but then you want to put a wrong password, and it's going to tell you wrong. So we can just take one word out of this. Just so wrong, we can put username / password. We can put hack, but I'm just going to put wrong, so it knows that's not what we're looking for. And then as a final touch, you just want to put this thing, which means verbosity, which is like, do you want it to show you what it's doing? And yes, so when you put a capital, it means yes, we want to see what it's doing. So it's going to show us every combination it tries. Alright, so we can run this, and as you can see, it worked. So it tried test name with password this, test name with this, test name with this, test name with test password, and then at the end it gave you login, test name, password, test password. Alright, so you can put it non-verbose, so non-verbose, and then it gives you back the same thing. Alright, so now let's say we don't even know the name, but we know the password somehow. So we don't know the name, but we know the password. So here is the Hydra command, and this time you want to put a capital L and a not capital P. So not capital P, and then since we know the password, we're going to put it in. So it was test password, and then here capital L, and it's going to be a file. So test.txt. Okay, so go to test.txt and we'll see the combinations. Alright, so you have this, and then we'll just put test name. Okay, so we can run this, and you see it found it. So login test name password test password. So it found it. So now you can see it works. Test name test password, like that. I don't even think I typed it right. So oops. Okay, I typed it wrong. So test name test password test password. Alright, see? So it works. So that's Hydra debunked. So if you like my videos, just subscribe, like, and share my videos for more. And also, if you want to support me, you can check the PayPal link in the description.